Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Discovery. The Discovery is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British carmaker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, power moonroof. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.